Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Miata video. Today we are going to be replacing the rear oxygen sensor. I have a check engine light. The code is P1141, and so yeah, this should fix the problem. And I am using a Bosch, whatever, however you say this, oxygen sensor, and I will link this down in the description so you guys can get it. It's a direct fit, so you don't have to do any wiring. And so yeah, it should be pretty simple. Unplugging something, plugging new one back in. So now let's get into it.
Alright, so as you can see, this is your engine bay for a 2000 Miata. And the code reader is right there. And the plug for it is here. So you'll want to unplug that, get all that sorted, and unbolt that from down there.
See, so if you're under the car, like I am, looking at the sensor, there is the sensor. So what you want to do is your hand can go over into this area. You can see it right there. So if you put your hand right here, see, you can grab it like this. Now I just broke it right now. So now I can easily take it off and put the new one in. Alright, once you get that unscrewed,
You will unclip that and you should be good to go. Brand new one right here. This one is a little bent and kind of bad, so has really nice heat protective wrap for it. So yeah, this should go in smoothly. So what we're dealing with is this. It is too short to go in its original position, so I had to wire the old wire, the male wire, underneath the spark plugs, so it could, get to that. But I'm not too against it. Replaced it. That was pretty easy. So let's erase the check engine light and see how she runs. So you take your code reader, plug that in. Hopefully it's not like mine. There we go. Alright, same code, so we will hit erase right here. Ask if you want to erase, yes. Erase it. Alright, now it's gone. So what I'm going to do, turn off the car, unplug it. That was one of the easiest things I've done to my car. So far so good, but this has seemed to fix the problem. Yay. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative, really easy, super simple. If you come to that problem, it's probably an old O2 sensor. This one honestly looks like trash. It's a bunch of kicked up stuff. This thing's bent. And it fixed the problem perfectly. It's really easy to install. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.